you ever looked at a simple coconut and wondered what stories it could tell? Beneath its rough shell lies not just food or drink, but a hidden canvas waiting to be transformed. From island shores to artisan workshops, the coconut shell has become more than just a natural material. It's a symbol of creativity, sustainability, and timeless art. In this video, we explore the incredible world of coconut shell handcrafted art, where discarded shells are reborn as elegant lamps, jewelry, bowls, and home decor that bring the warmth of nature into our everyday lives. Every piece tells a story of patient hands, of tradition passed through generations, and of a world that still believes in beauty made by nature. Today, we enter that world, the world of coconut shell handcrafted art. A world where nature's simplicity becomes human imagination, where discarded shells, once considered waste, are reborn as beautiful, purposeful, and sustainable works of art. In this age of mass production, where plastic and metal dominate our lives, coconut shell art reminds us of something precious. That true beauty can be found in the natural, the imperfect, and the handmade. Every curve of the shell tells a story, shaped by ocean winds, nourished by tropical rain, and strengthened by the sun. When touched by the hands of an artist, it transforms into lamps that glow like the moon, bowls that echo the earth's warmth, jewelry that carries the spirit of the island, and decor that breathes life into any home. This isn't just art, it's sustainability. It's creativity meeting consciousness. Each handcrafted coconut shell piece reduces waste, honors nature, and celebrates craftsmanship that connects us to our roots. Coconut shell artisans see more than material, they see possibility. They see how something rough and ordinary can become delicate and refined. They see how a piece of nature can live again, not as trash, but as treasure. As we journey through this video, you'll see the entire process, from the harvesting of coconuts, to the careful cleaning, cutting, carving, sanding, and polishing that bring these creations to life. You'll discover the tools, the techniques, and most importantly, the soul behind every handcrafted design. Each creation carries warmth, the warmth of the tropics, the warmth of the maker, and the warmth it brings to the space it decorates. Coconut shell handcrafted art is more than just eco-friendly decor, it's a philosophy. It teaches us that nothing in nature should go to waste, that even the smallest, simplest things can carry beauty, history, and purpose. So, whether it's a glowing coconut lamp lighting up your night, a hand-carved bowl holding your treasures, or a piece of jewelry that whispers stories of the sea, every item holds a piece of the earth's soul. Join us as we explore this incredible art form, where nature meets imagination and sustainability meets style. The value of handcrafted work. Handcrafted art takes time, and that's what makes it priceless. Every artisan has their rhythm. Some use traditional tools passed down from generations. Others innovate with modern designs. But all share the same respect for the material, for the earth, and for the process. The beauty of coconut shell craftsmanship lies not only in what you see, but in what you feel. When you hold a handmade piece, you hold the patience of the maker, the wisdom of the culture, and the breath of nature. Eco-friendly and sustainable art. In a world drowning in plastic waste, coconut shell art is a quiet revolution. It takes something often thrown away, the hard outer shell of the coconut, and transforms it into something valuable. No pollution, no toxins, no machines. Just natural material and human creativity. Each piece reduces waste, supports local artisans, and encourages a lifestyle that respects nature. It's more than decoration, it's a statement. A reminder that art can heal, create, and protect the planet at the same time. The global rise of coconut shell art. From small island workshops to international design studios, coconut shell art has found its way into homes and galleries around the world. Designers love it for its texture. Eco-conscious consumers love it for its sustainability. Collectors love it for its uniqueness, because no two shells are ever identical. Countries like India, Indonesia, Thailand, the Philippines, and Sri Lanka have long histories of coconut craft. Today, artisans from these regions share their skills globally through online platforms and exhibitions, bringing this ancient art into the modern world. Your creativity matters. Your ideas matter. And your handmade work is part of something bigger. The beauty of human imagination. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative ideas, artistic inspirations, and beautiful handmade stories.